Welcome to the latest edition of Obesity Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Pfizer has emerged victorious in the battle for Metsera after a bidding war with Novo Nordisk, securing a $10 billion deal. Novo Nordisk had initially submitted a higher unsolicited offer, but withdrew due to antitrust concerns. Pfizer's winning bid includes a premium over Metsera's current market value. This acquisition reflects the ongoing intense competition in the obesity drug market and may lead to shifts in pipeline strategies for both companies. AstraZeneca has moved to advance its portfolio in obesity treatments with the acquisition of Six Peaks Bio. AstraZeneca has exercised its option to acquire the company for $170 million upfront, with additional milestone payments tied to regulatory progress. This acquisition strengthens AstraZeneca's focus on metabolic diseases, particularly obesity, signaling its growing commitment to this area as part of its broader pipeline strategy. Hanmi Pharmaceuticals has reported the top-line results of its Phase 3 trial of Efpeglenatide in Korea. The study demonstrated an approximately 9.75% weight loss at 40 weeks with a significantly lower incidence of gastrointestinal adverse events compared to drugs like Wegovy and withdrew. The study, which involved 448 obese patients, reported no serious adverse events or discontinuations. With its favorable safety profile, Efpeglenatide could influence long-term prescription choices in obesity treatment. Wave Life Sciences has made significant strides in its RNA interference therapy for obesity. Its WVE-007 cRNA drug showed up to an 85% reduction in activin E levels, with durable effects lasting up to 6 months in early-stage trials. The Phase 1 trial results suggest that this treatment could offer the potential for annual or biannual dosing, reducing the treatment burden for obesity patients, and possibly accelerating adoption in the market. Eli Lilly is preparing to file for FDA approval of Orforglipron, an oral GLP-1 therapy for obesity. The drug has shown promising results, with a weight loss of around 12.4% in late-stage trials. Eli Lilly aims for an expedited review through the National Priority Voucher Program, which could place the company in a leading position for oral GLP-1 therapies in obesity treatment, offering an alternative to injectable treatments. In a strategic move to improve chronic disease management, Fangzhou and Novo Nordisk have announced a partnership to develop AI-powered digital solutions for diabetes and weight management. The collaboration will expand the Health Ecosystem Alliance, creating a digital chronic disease management platform. The goal is to shift from disease-focused treatments to proactive health management, contributing to China's Healthy China 2030 initiative. This partnership aims to drive innovation in digital healthcare and improve patient access to efficient treatment. Eli Lilly's tirzepatide, marketed under the names Mounjaro and Zepbound, has become the world's best-selling drug, surpassing Merck's Keytruda. With sales projections reaching $24.8 billion in 2025, Eli Lilly's rapid success highlights the strong demand for both obesity and diabetes treatments. Since its approval in 2022 for diabetes and 2024 for obesity, Mounjaro and Zepbound have demonstrated impressive market growth, setting a high bar for competitors in the space. The Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, MFDS, is reviewing the classification of obesity drugs, including Wegovy, as substances with a high potential for misuse or abuse. The MFDS is focusing on concerns regarding dosage misuse and illegal distribution practices, such as dose splitting and rapid dose escalation. The agency plans to enhance oversight in these areas, targeting illegal online sales and improper prescription practices. Regulatory changes could impact patient access to these drugs and influence prescribing practices, particularly for high-demand medications like Wegovy. Stay ahead in obesity research, like, share and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.